Hello everyone, my name is Varsha. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about the subject dbms. In that, the topic is SQL data definition and data types. Schema change statements in SQL, specifying constraints in SQL. Let us know about the definition of SQL data definition and data types. Understand the fundamentals of SQLs for creating databases and defining data structure. Specifying data types in SQL. In that, the first one is numerical type, the second one is text type, third one is date or time type, or and the last one is boolean type. Numerical type int, big int, float, decimal are the specifying number range and precisions. In text type, varchar, char, text are the defining variable or fixed length text. In date or time type, date, time, date time, timestamp are stored calendar and time data. Boolean type, bit, boolean are the represent true or false values. Defining table and column. Table structure. Defining the layout of your database with the tables and columns. Column data type. Specifies the type of the data each column will be stored. Logic design. Organize data into table based on relationships and purposes. And the last one is naming conventions. Using clear, descriptive name to the identifying table and column. Altering table structure. The first one is add column, the second one is modify column, and the last one is drop columns. Altering the structure of an existing SQL table is essential for evolving your database schema to meet changes requirements. These include adding new columns, modifying the data types or properties, existing column and removing unnecessary columns. These schema changes must be careful, planned and executed to be avoided, disparate existing applications or data integrity. The next one is renaming and dropping columns. Renaming columns, changing the name of the column to better representative its data. Dropping columns, removing unnecessary column from a table to streamline the schema. The last one is maintaining schema consistency. Careful planning is key when making the structural change database. And the next one is adding and removing the constraints. In that, there are four. The first one is adding constraint, the second one is unique constraints, and the third one is removing constraints, and the fourth one is alter constraints. Let us know about the definition of add constraints. Defining rule to ensures data integrity. For unique constraints, ensures each value is unique in a column. For removing constraints, drop existing constraints when needed. The last one is alter constraints, modify constraints definitions over time. These are adding and removing constraints. Unique and primary key constraints. There are unique constraint definitions and primary key constraint definition. Let us know about the description of unique constraint. Ensures each value in a column is unique. Allow null values. Prevent duplicate data used for candidate keys. Alter identifiers. Here is the description of primary key constraints. Define the primary key, unique identifier, cannot contain null value, enforces consequences, automatically create a clustered index. This is the description of unique and primary key constraints. And the next one is foreign key constraints. You can see the symbols for related description. For connecting table, define relationship between table using foreign key. And the next one is maintain data integrity. Ensures integrity across related tables. And the last one is enforcing constraints, specifying action for insertion, updates, or deletion. This is a description of foreign key constraints. And the next one is check constraints. Here is the four different types in it, namely enforce data integrity, validate input values, improves data quality, flexibility in design. Let us know about the description of these four. The first one is ensures data integrity, ensures data meets specific business rules. The second one is validate input values, prevent invalid or inconsistent data from being saved. The third one is improve data quality, maintain high standards and reduce data errors. Flexibility in design, easily modified constraints are requirement changes. These are the description for check constraints. Let us know about the implementing schema changes in the SQL. There are some more points in it, but I have explaining those are important. Alter table structure to add, modify, or removing columns. Renaming or drop existing columns. Add, removing, or modifying constants like primary key. Use alter table statements to evolve the database schema. Manage schema changes with the version, control, and migration script. Thank you. I hope you all like this video. Please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Do comment in the comment section. For more videos, follow my YouTube channel. Thank you.